Hi friends, welcome back. So we have decided to move forward with the kitchen renovations, and one of the things that we needed to get done was parging the walls that we removed the tile from. The wall that our contractor is working on currently is the wall that we are not putting the same tiles for the rest of the kitchen. It's going to be a traditional Portuguese tile that we purchased, but in order to finish this wall so that we can move on with the rest of the walls, he is putting a parging solution to flatten out the surface to make it easier for the new tiles to adhere to. So while he works on that, Chris and I have to prepare the other side of the wall for a new gas line. We had to run a new gas line into the laundry room for the hot water tank, and we also had to run that same gas line through the existing wall where the stove is going to be. We had to chip out quite a deep channel for the gas line to be attached to, and that is where we will be putting the new shutoff valve for the gas. So you'll see he's working on the wall, we work on the gas line and chipping out the concrete, and we are moving forward with kitchen renovations. Again, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy this short video.